Hi everyone, welcome to Data with Masudur. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a free account in Google Cloud Platform, or in short GCP. So this free account comes with $300 free credit, 90 days validity, include always free tier resources. These are some examples, but there are many more. And it is easy to upgrade to paid account. Anytime you can upgrade to paid account, and great for beginners, students and cloud learners. Let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to cloudgoogle.com. This is official Google Cloud website. So here you see two buttons, get started for free, or at the top corner, start free. So both of them will land you in the same place. So click on that. So in this step, Google will ask you to sign in. If you already have an existing Gmail account, so you can use it here. If you don't have any existing account, so you can follow this link to create a new account first, and once you create it, then come back again this page and enter your newly created account. So in my case, I have already an existing account, so I'm going to use that and click next so that we can go to the next step. So here, there's the sign in process. Just sign in here. So after the sign in, you automatically move into this screen here. In this page, you will get few important informations here. The first thing, your account information. Check if your account is correct. If not, switch or change to different account. Check your country. So in my case is Canada. So choose appropriate country from here. And also, if you want to receive email updates from Google Cloud, then check this box. On the right side, you have very important information here. You are getting access to Google Cloud products here. All of the available Google Cloud products, you will get access. You will get $300 free credit, and you can spend over the next 90 days period. And the last one is very important. There will be no automatic charges. Means Google will not charge you anything unless you voluntarily choose or change your free account to a full or pay-as-you-go account. Then only Google will charge you. Otherwise, there will be no charges. So once you are agree with these terms and conditions, you just click agree and continue. So now Google will ask you for contract information. You need to put your name, types of account. For my case, it is individual, and your address. So I put my address here. So once contract information done, then Google will ask for payment method. So you can add a debit or credit card here, and Google will not charge you. What happens sometimes, they do a small temporary authorization, like maybe fraction of $1 or maybe $1 they will charge, but they will either refund it back or this transaction will go away automatically. This is just an authorization process. So once you are done with this, just click start free. Once Google Cloud setup is done, it will bring you to this console here. So there's the welcome message from Google Cloud. Google will asking some basic questions like what is the purpose of this account? Like you can say learn to use Google Cloud. So we can hit close for now. And here is the inside of the Google Cloud console. On the dashboard, you can see your free credits remaining. So see the freestyle status here. So it's the $417. So actually $300 US. So it is converted to Canadian $417 and 91 days remaining to use. Navigation menu here. So you can access all of the available services in Google Cloud. From here you can create virtual machines, storage buckets, BigQuery, cloud functions. So that's it. Your free account is ready. You can activate to full account anytime, or you can continue to use free credits with free account for 91 days. And once that is done, then you can convert it to a full account, or you can convert it to full account anytime. But when you are using any paid service, Google will charge you from your free credit first. So that's it for today's video. I hope this helped you to set up your GCP free account easily. If you want more beginner friendly tutorials on data engineering, databases, and cloud, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.